அஸ்ஸலாமு அலைக்கும் வரஹ்மத்துல்லாஹி வபரகாத்துஹு. இன்றைக்கி நம்ம 11th ஸ்டாட் பார்க்க போகிறோம், ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ். ஸோ இன்றைக்கி ஏற்கனவே பார்த்துற சம்ஸ் வந்து 6.7 வரைக்கும் பார்த்துருக்கோம். We already saw example 6.7. Now we will see example 6.8. So we are finding standard deviation. Let's we see this one. So what they are asking here, see the question: the whole sales price of commodity for 7 consecutive days in a month is as follow. What that one? Day 1 to 7 days are there, and then commodities are 240, 260, 270, 245, 255, 286, 264 is there. So we need to find its standard deviation. What they are saying now? Calculate the variance and standard deviation. Variance and standard deviation is standard deviation they are asking. So we need to find these things. Okay. So first we must know what's the formula for variance and standard deviation. So formula is sigma square is nothing but variance. Sigma square is nothing but variance. That formula is what that one? Sigma d square by n minus sigma d by n the whole square. Okay, where d is nothing but xi minus a. D is nothing but xi minus a. This is the formula for finding variance. Standard deviation is sigma, that is square root of variance. That we have to do it. Okay, in short, that you keep it in mind. So first we need xi, this things we have. See, we arrange this one data first. So xi, then we will do di, that is xi minus a. Then we will square d square. This is our table we need to frame. Okay, I am making a box for our convenient. Then we will extend it if we need it. So first what the data is coming, so it should be in ascending order. It will be easy. First 240, next 245, then next 55, then next 60, then next 64, then next 270. Finally we have 286. Finally we have 286. 70 and 286 is that. This is the data we have written. Now we can see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 data. Or which we can choose A is assume mean only. Whatever we can assume. If we are assuming A is also okay, not a issue. Leaving 3 here. So A we are assuming as standard deviation. So assume mean. So we are finding this one. So in place of A we are writing 260. For our convenient, I will use calculator. As you know that we can use calculator here. 240 minus 260 minus 20 is coming. So minus 20. If we square na into 20 na 400. So this is 400 we are getting. Next one 245. Next value is 245 minus 260. We are getting 15. Minus 15 we are getting. And then into 15 na what will come? Just a minute. 15 is there. That value into 15 I am doing. So 225 plus only will come because negative into negative. That we need to square it. Then 255 minus 260. We are getting minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 5, 25 will come. So that's the value. Then 260. So 260 minus 260, 0 will come. 0 square is 0. 264 minus 264 will come. 4 4 is 16 will come. 270 minus 16, 10 will come. 10 10 is 100 will come. Then 286 minus 260 we are doing. Not 26 is coming. 26 I am writing, and square multiply by 26 we are getting 676 we are getting. So this is the value we are obtaining here. Okay, so now we need to add the value of sigma d, because we need here sigma d value. We need sigma d square value. So let me add this one. So orally we can see 20, 15, 35, 40. So this totally what we are getting, minus 40 we are getting. Here 4 and 6, how much we are getting? 30 plus 10 is, here it's 40. If you add it now, what you are getting, it's 0. So this is 0. Okay, so that is the value. Now we will find this one. So this is what we are getting, we will see here. So 400 plus 225 plus 25 plus 16 plus 100 plus 676 we are getting. So we are getting 101442 we are getting. So this is the value of sigma d square value. Okay, so now we will do the same thing. So we got the value. Now you substitute these things in your formula. So variance equals to sigma square, that is our formula is sigma d square by n minus sigma d by n the whole square is that. Sigma d square is how much? 144. Totally how many days? N is 7 here. So 7. So divided by 7 will come. Minus sigma d square 0. 0 by 7 whole square. So same thing will come. Only these things. So what I am doing? 1442, that value divided by 7 I am doing. So what I am going to 206. So the variance is 206. Okay. So variance we got it as 206 now. So now standard deviation SD, that is sigma we need to find. That is square root of variance. Okay. That is nothing but square root of 206. So I am going to do square root of 206. 206. I am getting 14. You can see here 14.35. So that we can write, that is your standard deviation. Okay, so let's see the next problem. It is very interesting also. You can see here, what's that one now? So example 6.9, the mean and standard deviation from observations are 14 and 12 respectively. If an additional observation 8 is to be included, the find the corrected mean and standard deviation they are saying. So here, so one extra 8 is added, that is the thing. So for how much observation is there now? 18 is there. So n is here 18. Additional observation is what that one? 8 is there. Mean is x bar is here, mean is 14 and standard deviation sigma is 12 here. So this is the thing is given. So these are the data we are having. So now we need to calculate exact mean and then this one. Okay, so now let me come this one. So we have to find the formula. X bar is nothing but summation x by n, isn't it or not? Which is how much they are saying? 14. So summation x by 18 equals to 14 is that. Is it correct? Then summation x equals to what will come? 14 into 18. Isn't it or not? Okay. So that means that, so multiply it. I am using calculator here. 14 into 18. We are getting 252. So that is the value we are getting as summation x equal to 252 we are getting. Okay. So now, this is a summation value. So now new mean equals to what you will do? Summation xi, new xi is 252. Observation is what? 8 is there. So plus 8 divided by n here, new mean. So that is divided by 18 plus 1, 19 will come. So therefore 260 divided by 19 will come. So that is the thing. So now I am using 260 divided by 19 we are doing now. 13.68 will come. So that is the new mean. So that is the x bar new I am writing here for understanding purpose. This is for the new one. Okay, is it clear? So we are getting 13.68 is the new mean. Now standard mean is over. Standard deviation. So they have given sigma equals to what is that? 12. So sigma formula is what? Sigma xi square by n minus sigma xi by n equals to what they have given? 12 they have given. Standard deviation, square root. So that is nothing but equal to what they say. The value is 12 they are saying. Okay. So now we need to find the same. Okay. So here there is thing is we need to find this squaring value. We need to do it. So square root goes that side. Now what will come? Here 12 square will come, isn't it or not? So this value is mean they have given 14. So this is 14 will come. So this is sigma square is here. So is square here. Sigma xi square by n is what here? 18. So 18 minus will come. So this is the thing. So now sigma xi square by 18 equals to what will come? 12 square. 12 square is 144. Minus goes that side now plus. 14 square is 196. For your understanding I will write 14 into 14 196. 196 is coming. So I am adding 196 here. So now 196 plus 144, how much it's coming? 340. I have to multiply by 18 because this 18 goes that side now. Then sigma xi square equal to 340 into what I need to do? 18. So we are getting 6120. This is sigma xi whole square value. But we need what? A new one. So we need to get a new one. New sigma xi whole square value is what will come? 612 plus here a new observation is 8. So that we need to add here. If I am adding here 8 square, that is 612 plus 8 8 is 64. How much we are getting? 6204 will come. 6204 will come. So that's the value of the things if you are adding means. Sorry, this is not 6204. You added 120 plus 16 is 64 now 186. That is 6164 will come. That is the new sigma x square. Okay, so we got it. Now again, standard deviation formula is what is the square root of sigma xi square by n minus sigma xi by n the whole square. Isn't it or not? Sigma xi, what's the value? Square root of 6184 divided by n is now 8. Already it's 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So divided by 19 will come minus new mean is how much you got? 13.68. So that is 13.68 the whole square I am writing here. So let's calculate this one. So I am getting you can say 6184 divided by 19. So divided by 19 if I am doing 340, what it's coming? 343.55 is coming. That minus I will keep as such this one, and then we have to 343.55. Okay, that is we will do it. So before this one 13.68 into 13.68. What's the value it's coming? 840. 187.14 I am taking. So now square root of again. So this value. So what 343.55 minus 187.14. If I am doing what you are getting 156.41 you are getting. So now we need to take the square root of this one. I will do this one. So that is square root of just a minute. I'll take now we need to take square root of 156.41. So what we are getting? We are getting 12.501. We can write this is your standard deviation of this problem. A small correction, I have divided here 18, so that's why it's coming. You can check here 18 means 343 is coming that I have written, but actually it's 19 are 325. So this 325.47 it's coming. So that you keep it in mind. So I will do that one. So so what is that now? 325.47 minus this value. What is 187.14? We are getting 138.33. So this will cancel. So I'll write here square root of 138.33 will come. So now I need to take square root. So square root of what I'm writing 138.33. So that answer is we are getting 11.76 will come. That is our exact value. That you keep it in mind. I have divided here 18. That it should not 18, but it should be 19. That's why the value is changing. So please note that one. Okay. So this is the thing we are having for finding as new mean and new standard deviation. This is new standard deviation, and this is the value we are here. This is new standard deviation. This is the value we are getting. Okay. Finally, one more problem. What is that? You can check it here. Here it is. Indirectly, the questions are there. We can check here. A study of 100 engineering companies gives the following information. What that gives the following information? The profit and these things are given. Profit is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, up to 50 to 60 is coming. Number of companies 8, 12, 20 like that is that. They calculate the standard deviation and profit, earning profit they are asking. So we need to find the standard deviation here. So since the interval is class interval, so we need to follow the standard deviation formula. This one I am writing here for our standard deviation is equal to square root of sigma f d square by n minus sigma f d by n whole square into what is that? C is that. So outside this one. This is the formula we need to find. So first we'll construct the table. So class interval, that is Ci, 0 to 10. So then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. This is very important. So that is the things we are doing here. First this is what. Next one, xi we need to find. Then fi. What is the fi? That given data, it's there. 8 is there, 12 is there, 20 is there, 30 is there, 20 is there, and 10. That's from this table I'm taking. From this in this value I'm taking 10. Xi, how will you add up lower limit, upper limit? 0 plus 10, 10, 10 divided by 2 now 5. 10 plus 20, 30, 30 divided by 2 now 15. This is 25 will come. This is 35, this is 45, this is 55 will come. So now we need to find, assume 2, 4, 6 is there. So I am taking this as a. So assumed mean is I am taking 35. And then C value. And what's the C difference? 10. So C is here 10. That's the thing. So di equal to xi minus a by 10 we need to do. Simultaneously I am doing. So be careful. So this is the thing we need to do. So careful. So now xi is 5. 5 minus 35 is minus 30. Divided by 10 now, minus 3 will come. 15 minus 35 is 15 minus 30 is 20. 20 divided by 10 now, minus 2 will come. 25 minus 35 now, minus 10. Divided by 10 now, minus 1 will come. This 0 will come. 45 minus 10 and 10 divided by 1 will come. 55 minus 35 is 20. 20 divided by 10 now what will come? 2 will come. This is the value of di. Now d square we will find it. So d square now minus 9, 4, 1, 0, square it 1 and this 4. Now fd square, then we need to find fd. Our wish, we can do fd first and fd square second also, it's not an issue. That's the way we need to find it here. fd is what? 8 and this 3. So 8 into 3, 8 3 is 24, plus into minus 24. And plus into minus 12 2s are 24 will come. Again, so the next one, 20 into minus 20. 0, 30 into 0, 0. 21s are 20 and 10 2s are 20 will come. So now you added this one, sigma fd, what the value you are getting, we will check it here. Okay, so what's the value you are getting? See, plus 20 minus 20 cancel. 20 minus 20 minus 28 will come. That's the value of these things. Okay, so now that is the thing we are having. So next one, f into d square, 8 9s are. So how much we are getting? 72 will get. 12 fours are 48 will come, and 20 ones are 20 will come, 30 zeros are 0 will come, then 20 ones are 20 will come, 10 fours are 40 will come. I have done correctly. Please check one time. So it's not a big things. Now you would add, so 72 plus 40 48, 72 2 plus 8 10, and then this is 70 plus 40 110 120 140 160 200. So this is sigma f d square value is 200 we are getting. Okay, now n value is sigma fi. So add it. 8 plus 12 is 20 40 70 and 100. So this is 100 n value. I just substitute it here. Square root of sigma fd square. Sigma fd square is how much? 200 divided by n. N is what here? 100 minus fd sigma fd is minus 28 divided by 100 and whose square into c is what here? 10. So this is the value we are getting. So now this 100 this get cancelled. Now we are getting square root of 2 minus here to 28 I will do by calculator. So I am taking 28 divided by 100, that is 0.2 will come. So, okay, into 0.28. So we are getting minus 0.0784 into what is that? 10 is that. So this value I am going to do now. 2 minus 0.0784 will come. So we are getting 1. You can see 1.91. So we are taking square root of 1.9216 is coming into 10 is that. So now I am going to take square root of 1.9216. I am getting 1.3862 I am getting into 10 now. If I am multiplying by 10 means what will come? So 13.862 will come. That is our standard deviation sigma value. Is it clear? This is the value of standard deviation. So only the thing is formula if you know now, and then we need to, from this formula we need to construct table. From this table we need to find the value. Okay, inshallah we will see the new topic next class, combined mean and then these things, and then we will go to coefficient of variance. We will see in next class. Thank you. Wassalam. Complete class work.